I do a lot of data mining applications at my work. However, I wanted really to catch up with the new technologies and the new tools that are being offered almost every day. Like, I cannot leave my work for a long time. I'm leading a big project and I have multiple people to manage, and I cannot leave my place for an extended period of time. So I was really looking for something that's a crash course in a short period of time, give you like a lot of intensive things about that field. My favorite part in this course is really discussions that are initiated by Raja. Really, these are very, very deep and insightful discussions. I also got introduced to the subject of big data analysis and big data processing using Hadoop and Hive. I'm not claiming that I'm now expert in these fields, but at least I got the basics, and from now on I can start doing this on my own. This bootcamp is for everyone. Like I have a good experience in data mining. I see it fit for myself. However, I see others really who are almost have no experience on data mining or machine learning. I see them getting a lot of value as well. This is really the magical recipe between theory and practice. If you really wanted to get started, like if someone wanted to get started on data science, like I did my search. This is really one of the best bootcamps that you can take.